So, okay guys, thank you for coming, and this is the pre-lesson. So, what I'd like you to do is give me examples of mean, negative, hurtful behaviors that you see, like at school or in the neighborhood. Yeah.
People making fun of people?
Yeah, people making fun of people. How do they make fun of people? Yeah.
Calling them names.
Calling them names. Okay, can you give me like an example of what kind of names?
Jerk, annoying.
Yeah. Jerk,
weird.
Annoying, weird.
Nerd.
Nerd. Okay, good examples. What else? Yes.
People excluding people from
Yeah.
other things.
Excluding people. Where do they exclude them?
Like, from hanging out.
From hanging out? Yep. Okay. Yeah. What, yes.
From games.
From games. Yep. Like where? A gym or?
Like outside recess.
Okay. Outside. Okay. How do they exclude them? Let's say we're talking about gym. How would they exclude them?
Grab like 3 partners, and there's one kid that's left out, and there's one group with 2, and they don't want him, so he has to like sit on the stage or something.
Okay. All right. Good. Yeah. What else? Yes.
Like people where you can't trust them and you think that they're your friends, but then they'll go and tell that person that you said something mean, they change your words.
Okay. So kind of talking behind backs, right? Does that mean changing your words around?
Just, you can't trust people.
Okay.
Lying.
Yeah. Not being able to trust, lying. What else? What about like in the hallway at school? Yes. Like pushing or what?
Yeah, like shoving and just like hitting people.
Okay, shoving, hitting people. How about knocking books down? Do you see that?
Yeah.
No? Okay, yeah. What else? Yes.
The pushing and shoving in the hallway. People rush to get out of school just because they don't like it. So they push people away.
Okay, just pushing and stuff like that. Okay, good.
Like they talk about what people wear, and like that's how like they categorize people.
Okay, so categorizing people, talking about what they wear, their clothes. What else? Do they talk about their bodies at all?
Yeah.
What do they talk about?
People that are like fat or skinny.
Okay. Fat, skinny, being small,
Being tall.
being tall, taller than everybody else.
Tiny.
Being
Like,
tiny.
they could be really short.
Yeah, like being short. Guys get made fun of that. Okay. All right, what about like in the locker room? Think of anything in the locker room? Yeah.
If there's like a pool of water when like after a football game where you're ice cold water when you're hurt, they could like push them into it.
Okay. Pushing in water. Okay. All right. What about online? What are the kinds of things that they do online? What about maybe like Instagram? What are the mean stuff that you see on Instagram?
Oh, they have a lot of Instagram fights that start over like pictures or an opinion.
Okay.
Yeah, if like they don't like hang out with someone, they like post pictures with like those people, you know,
Or
like
like,
a lie or whatever.
or like the asking thing you can have in your bio, and you don't know who it is.
And a lot of people say really mean
Yeah,
things.
mean
Yeah,
stuff.
like annoy you and you can't tell who it
Okay.
is, so.
So it's anonymous. You don't know who's
Yeah.
asking. Do you know who's asking the who's asking the
Yeah,
comment?
they have a profile.
Okay.
Yeah, like so you can answer them and you'll know who's saying it, but you don't know who's asking.
You don't know who's asking it. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah. What else?
They could like post a picture of them that's like really like that embarrasses them.
Yeah.
Like they put a picture on like Google or something and they copy it.
Okay. All right. Good. All right. Let's just let's do the exact opposite. Let's talk about nice, positive, and supportive things. And what we'll do is we'll go to the next. What are some things that are nice, positive, and supportive? Things that happened at school, in the hallway. What can you do to make somebody smile? Yes.
Like if someone drops their books, like you help them pick it up.
Okay. Helping them pick up their books. Yes.
If you see someone being bullied, stand up for them.
Okay, we'll talk about that. What you do when you see somebody being bullied. What's just something you can do that's nice, positive, and supportive to make somebody feel good? Yes.
Give them like a compliment on like anything.
Yeah. Compliment them on what? What would you compliment somebody on?
The way they look today or how they met.
The way they look, what
Their
their
hair looks or
hair, their clothes, maybe. Yeah.
Like if they don't understand something, you can explain it to them so they get it.
Okay, like in class or something. So helping somebody understand something. Good. Okay, yes, what else?
Exclude?
Oh, like include them.
Yeah.
Like, okay, so that's a good one. Yeah, so the opposite of exclude. Like, what? How would you include somebody at lunch? Yes.
Well, I say one that, say they're sitting at a table and no one's near them. You go sit next to them.
Okay, great idea. Okay, what else?
Invite them over.
Yeah, invite them to sit with you. Yeah. What else?
Wait, if they like,
How could you include them maybe, or like in class, how would you include them? Yeah.
Like, say you have nothing to do and they're playing like a card game, you ask them if you want to play.
Okay, ask them if they want to play. That's a great answer. Yeah.
Like if you have like partners in math, then you could ask them to be your partner.
Ask them to be your partner. What about like on the weekends? Could you ask them to maybe hang out? Does that make them feel good? Okay. How else? Like what about online? How do you make somebody happy? How can you make somebody smile? Yes.
So a lot of people post selfies, so like you could say that they're like really pretty or
yeah.
Okay. So complimenting them online. What else? What about, can you compliment maybe their pictures or?
Yeah, you can like, just like it or whatever.
Okay. How else could you make somebody really happy? Like, what do you say to somebody to build them up or make them feel good? Yeah. Yes.
Wait, never mind.
Okay. Anything else? Like tell them that they're funny or something?
Yeah.
Laugh at their jokes?
Oh, here.
Okay, what else?
So, like what you're saying, like laugh at the jokes even though it's not like funny.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay. All right, good. So do you guys understand the difference between mean, negative, hurtful behavior and nice, positive, supportive behavior?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, good. All right, good. Thank you.